Hello and welcome to Bell CB and a tune-up report for Randy in Texas on the Galaxy DX-949 that he sent. Well, he sent this Palomar 250 and asked us to match him up. All right. Actually, he sent one of these radios that are pretty beat up, and the front knobs got pretty messed up in shipping, so we went with a new refurbished 949 from Galaxy. Now, matched up with this guy, we're going to look at the matched up first, and I'll show you barefoot afterwards. I got power set for 100 watt scale there. Power on the radio is all the way up at 40 and all the way down for 10 watts. Alright, 250 watts peak power here. There's 150, there's 200. 100 watts is right there.
Reading the top scale, audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio.
That's off the scale now.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2.
Okay, and on sideband, keeping the power all the way down.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, the power all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and this amplifier has a little crossover distortion, a little bright line down the middle on sideband. It's not quite as biased as we would like.
Go ahead, Breaker.
Okay, more code hanger. Yeah, you sound good over here. How's this radio sound? Stand more on the Palomar Park Road, US 1, screwdriver waving.